If you're about to start CPAP therapy or feel totally lost already, stop scrolling. When most people get diagnosed with sleep apnea, they're handed a machine, a mask, maybe a pamphlet. And then, crickets. No roadmap, no support, just good luck out there. I hear this every day at SleepLay. I felt like I was thrown into the deep end, and you know what? That's not how it should be. So if you're about to start CPAP therapy or feeling overwhelmed after night one, remember, you're not failing, you're adjusting. And here's the good news. CPAP doesn't have to feel like a lonely path. There's a better way, one that involves guidance, support, and knowing what's normal. And that's why we are here. Hi, I'm Daniel, a CPAP expert here at SleepLay. And if you're here, there's a chance you've tried CPAP already or are considering it after sleep apnea diagnosis. There's a chance you haven't been so successful and need a lifeline. Well, you just landed in the right place. Listen, adjusting to CPAP takes time, patience, and a little tweaking. I've yet to meet one person who told me their first night with CPAP was life-changing. Night one, you might wake up halfway with a dry mouth. Night two, the mask might feel weird on you. And that's perfectly okay. Your body's learning to sleep with support. It's kind of like getting used to contact lenses. Awkward at first, but life-changing once it clicks. Most people think that when they try CPAP, they'd immediately wake up feeling energized on night one, enjoying deep, perfect sleep, just like in the commercials. The reality is, most of them spend more time adjusting their mask during the night, playing with their settings, and regretting this whole entire thing before dawn. Here's what I wish you knew before getting started. Your first night doesn't predict your future. It's your starting point, not the finish line. What to expect early on. You might wake up a few times. Your throat might feel dry in the morning. You may even pull the mask off in your sleep. That doesn't mean it's not working. It just means your body's learning to trust this new rhythm. So instead of thinking, I failed, try thinking, I'm learning. That reframe is very powerful. So now that we have clear expectations of night one, let's talk gear. Because most struggles aren't about the machine, they're about fit and comfort. The first step is making sure you have the right mask. Finding the right mask for your facial features, sleeping habits, and therapy needs is essential for success. You can take a 3-minute assessment to determine what fit is best for you and enjoy 60 days risk-free to make sure that mask is the one. If it doesn't feel right, you may exchange it for a different style. There's a reason why our guarantee extends up until 60 days. We know that adjusting takes time, and we want to give you that time to truly test the mask out and get a feel for it before you either skip therapy or change it too soon. So give it time, be patient, and trust the process. While you're testing your mask, make sure you adjust the mask while lying down. Your face shape changes in this position. Use the mask fit feature or leak check on your device. If air is blowing in your eyes, try a mask liner. And don't be afraid to experiment. The mask they gave you might not be your forever mask. You wouldn't wear shoes that pinch your feet every night. Why should your mask be any different? Same goes for pressure settings. If you feel overwhelmed, ask your doctor or an expert here at SleepLay about a ramp-up feature. It starts lower and gradually builds up while you fall asleep. Now, let's talk about your mindset. CPAP isn't just physical, it's mental. A lot of us start with resistance. This is annoying. I don't want to rely on a machine to sleep. I feel like a robot. I get it. So ask yourself, what if this isn't a burden, but a lifeline? That mindset shift changed everything. Instead of saying, I have to wear this, begin telling yourself, I get to sleep deeply tonight. I'm giving my brain the oxygen it deserves. I'm fighting for energy, focus, and a better future. Your thoughts shape your experience, so be kind to yourself and talk to yourself like you would a friend just starting out. Wearing a CPAP every night is a habit, and habits take time to form. Think about it. We don't hit the gym once and expect six-pack abs right away. We don't go from couch potato to Iron Man overnight, and we definitely don't become perfect sleepers the moment a CPAP touches our face. But every night you wear it, even for 30 minutes, you're building momentum. Start small if you have to. Wear it during a nap. Use it while watching TV to get used to the feeling, or even your favorite sports game. Log your wins in a notebook. Jot down how many hours you wore it in one night. This isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. And those small wins, they do stack up. Here's the truth. Most people who succeed with CPAP therapy didn't do it solo. They had someone cheering them on, someone to answer their questions, someone to say, yeah, that is normal, you're not crazy. And that's what we built here at SleepLay. We offer real expert support, comfort solutions you won't find in manuals, a community where you can ask anything and everything. Resources that meet you where you are, not where you should be. Because CPAP therapy success isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up, night after night, with just enough support to keep on going. Leave your questions in the comment below, or if you have a positive experience, please share it with others who might need your support. Thanks, and see you next time. Sleep well.